learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Lim Lim Zepsiu. And we talk about food, we talk about culture, and we give you proverbs as well. Something that you can use and also sound educated. 我们今天呢，希望呢，我们的 Leo 老师再一次介绍一些这个客家谚语啊，给我们来学学，对不对？用一些引申的方式去带到一些人生的大道理。
冇問題。
冇問題 Okay, that means no problem. So what is today's idiom or proverb?
好，上山唔低倒，
上山唔低倒。
唔當鑊卡草，
唔當鑊卡草，松山嘛哈。
松山那是松山，然後我們講的這個上山是上山。
上山。Okay, it sounds like the Songshan airport, but it means going up the mountains.
上山唔帶刀就上山呢不帶刀子。
唔帶刀 means I didn't bring my sword or knife. 刀子为什么要上山抢劫了吗？
不是，其实你要想啊，以前的人要上山去，要么就是砍柴，要么就是工作，所以你没带那工具呢，就唔當鑊卡愁啦，不如在家里坐着休息就好了。干嘛上山呢
？Okay, 唔當鑊卡愁 that means you might as well stay at home. All right, so this whole proverb literally means if you don't bring your knife or sword up onto the mountains for work, you might as well just stay home.所以这是要提醒健忘的人呢，要好好记得东西，对不对？
其实它主要的意思是这样说啦，就是我们有一句成语叫做“工欲善其事，必先利其器”。你要做什么工作，你要把你的工具准备好。
对 ，That's true. Okay, I was joking with Leo. I thought the proverb meant that we should not be forgetful, because a lot of times I go out the house and I realize, oh no, I didn't bring my phone. Oh no, I didn't bring my keys. 不是这个意思，而是说我们应该要好好的准备好。
对，当你把工具准备好之后，就是事半功倍。
Exactly. So let's hear this explanation in English.
If you're climbing a mountain without a blade, you may as well go home. This Hakka proverb is all about being well prepared. Climbing a mountain refers to cutting firewood. If you don't take along something to cut the wood with, you're just wasting time and energy and might as well be sitting at home. By the same logic, we should make sure we've laid the groundwork before setting out to pursue our dreams.
And now let's have Leo repeat the proverb again.
上山唔低倒，唔當鑊卡草。
That means, again, be well prepared, and to get something done, you must sharpen your weapons. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.